Hi friends, welcome to Josat. Today's topic is online resources for kids and families during COVID 19. As families continue to face the new realities of juggling work, school, and play at home, online tools can make the adjustment a bit smoother. We are all spending more of our time on our devices, and Google has many products and programs to help family create healthy digital habit and help them stay safe at online. From internet safety resources to parental controls, our products help family find and manage quality content and apps, tools for distance learning and virtual field trips. And behind the scenes, our team work every day to protect our users and make our products safer for everyone. Helping families and educators with distance learning resources. Families and educators are relying on digital platforms to provide access to online learning and educational tools during COVID-19. Our G Suite for Education tool can be used from any device and help more than 120 million teachers and students around the world work and learn together. To support distance learning, Google is offering premium Meet video conferencing feature free for schools through September 30, 2020. In March, we launched a new tech from HomeHub for teachers with information and resources so that they can keep teaching even as many schools closed due to COVID 19. This hub includes tutorial, step-by-step guides and inspiration for distance learning during school closure, and our teams are working to provide opportunity for families to learn together at home, including the new YouTube Learn at Home family site, virtual field trips and exploration through Google Art and Culture, and the global rollout of our all enabled reading app and Read Along. We created a dedicated distance learning fund through google.org to help educators and parents access tools and resources needed to provide learning opportunity for the students. The fund supports Khan Academy, Wide Open School by Common Sense Media and Donors Choose, helping family discover quality content for kids. Even outside school hours and virtual classroom, kids are spending more time online, so we are helping parents find quality, age appropriate content. The new Kids tab on Google Play make it easier for parents to find enriching and engaging app for their children. Teachers approved apps must meet place designed for family security and privacy requirements and are reviewed and curated by teachers to identify fun and inspiring apps kids will love, with or without an educational focus. The Teachers Approved program launched in the US in early April and will be rolling out globally later in the year. YouTube Kids, that is https is to slash www.youtube.com slash kids, it's for kids, offer a more contained environment for kids to explore their interest and curiosity. The app empowers the parents to customize their child's experience, including the content available to watch and how long they can use the app. Kids can access a range of helpful playlists on YouTube Kids right now, just as healthy habits, learning, and indoor activities. YouTube Kids is available in 79 countries on desktop, mobile, and smart TVs, teaching kids how to be safe online and build healthy tech habit. We have continued to help families navigate technology, from helping parents set digital ground rules to providing resources for teaching kids how to be safer online. The Family Link app from Google helps parents create healthy habits for their children or teen as they learn, play and explore online. Parents can keep an eye on screen time with daily limits and bedtime on Android and Chromebook devices. They can also help guide their child to better content with download approvals per app, time limits, and content filters. And the safe search is on by default for supervised child account, helping to filter explicit search results. Be Internet Awesome teaches kids about digital literacy and online safety. The program offers free resources for educator and family to learn about these topics with a family guide and pledge, online safety coloring book, and simple online tips. The program features an interactive game, Interland, that reinforces internet safety concept for kids in a fun and engaging way. It's available globally in over 28 countries and 15 languages. We have also partnered with other tech companies and the Global Partnership to the End Violence Against Child, that is EVAC, to create a public service announcement that help parents keep their children safe online across platform by providing resources on how to talk to kids about online risk, stay involved in their digital world, know who they are connecting with, and use privacy and security settings. EVAC site dedicated to these resource includes information on how to block and report suspicious individual to Google and other tech companies. We are also working with industry's partner, child protection, non-profit, and experts on other initiatives to improve child safety across the broader digital ecosystem. Online classes, quality content, and collaboration tools are important way to stay connected from home, and we are proud of the work our security and trust and safety teams to do ensure family can enjoy these and all Google products more safely. If you feel this video is useful to you, please hit like button and share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you friends.